national symbols. Okay.
Opposite.
What's our national bird?
Bird. Eagle.
Very good. National fruit.
Mango.
Very good. Our national animal is?
Yes. Carabao.
Very good. Our country is?
Philippines.
Very good. What's our national fish?
Bangus.
Again, our national fish is?
Bangus.
Very good. Our national tree is?
Naba.
Nara.
Ha?
Again, our national tree is?
Nada.
Nara.
Ha?
Our national food is?
Lunch.
Lechon.
Lechon. Hey.
Again, our national food is?
Lechon.
Very good. Our national house is?
Nipa.
Very good. Our national sports is?
Honest.
Again, our national sports is?
Honest.
Wow, very good. Our national hero is?
Dr. Jess Albay.
Again, Dr. Jose Rizal. Again, our national hero is?
Dr.
Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay, our national leaf is? Again, our national leaf is? Hanaw. Hanaw. Our national flag is?
People.
People flag? It's the Philippine flag. Okay.
Philippine flag.
Very good. Our national footwear is? For women. Our national dance is?
Kalisa.
Very good. Our national transport is?
Kalisa.
Our national transport is?
Transfer.
Is?
Passenger.
Port. Our national transport is? What's this?
Passenger. Horse.
Our national transport is?
Horse.
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 This is kalesa.
Kalisa.
Oo. Our national attire for men is?
Is barong.
Very good. For women?
Asaya.
Baro at saya.
Asaya.
National anthem is?
Is hilang.
Lupang hinirang.
Pamilya.
Yes. Our national language is?
Filipino.
Wow, very good. And you are a Filipino.
Filipino.
Yes. Your nationality is?
Filipino.